We will be solving a question from sequential series. For k element of n, k is a natural number. If the sum of the series, we have a series. The sum of series is 10. The sum of the series is 10. Then the value of k is. Then the value of k, we need to find the value of k. And there is one thing you need to note that the series is converging series, which means the sum is 10. It is possible only if the 1 by k, the value of 1 by k is less than 1, the common ratio. If it forms a GP or something, the common ratio should be less than 1. Then only it will form a converging series. But if the value of 1 by k is greater than 1, the terms will keep on increasing. The last term, the infinite nth term or the infinite term will lead to infinity. So the sum will only give you the infinity. Therefore, the value of k should be greater than 1. Now we can solve this series. Let S be the series. I am calling this series as S. Now, how can you solve this series? This series is not an arithmetic progression, not a geometric progression, not even an arithmetical geometric progression. But if you observe carefully, you can find that what is the difference of these two consecutive terms? The top, only the numerator part. 8 minus 4, you will get 4. 13 minus 8, you will get it 4. This is 4. 13 minus 8, you will get 5. 19 minus 13, you will get 6. It forms a arithmetic progression, or it is like a series, arithmetic series, with first term 4 and common difference only 1. Now, how can you convert this series into an arithmetical geometric progression? We need to convert this series into an arithmetical geometric progression. Now, what I am doing is I am taking s by k. I am finding the value of s by k. If I divide s with k, I will get 1 by k plus 4 divided by k square plus 8 divided by k cube plus 13 divided by k raised to 4, 90 divided by k raised to 5, 12 goes on. Now, if I subtract this equation from the original equation or the original series, it will be s into 1 minus 1 by k, s minus s by k, or you can write it as s into 1 minus 1 by k, which is equal to, I am calling this series as L. I am calling this series as L. L equal to, if I subtract 1 plus 4 by k divided by 1 by k, it will be 3 by k. 4 by k square, 8 by k square. If I subtract 8 minus 4, it will be 4 by k square plus 13 by k cube by 8 by k cube, it will be 5 divided by k cube, and again 19 minus 13, it will be 6 divided by k raised to 4, and it will be continuing till infinity. Now, I am separately writing as L equal to S into 1 minus k, because I am erasing this part. L equal to S into 1 minus 1 by k. Now I am taking this. Now, can you observe that this L, this series form an arithmetical geometric progression, because the numerator 2, 4, 8, 6, it forms a geometric progression, arithmetic progression, and the denominator forms a geometric progression 1 by k, 1 by k square, 1 by k cube, etc. It will goes on. Now what I am doing is I am taking L by k. The value of L by k will be 1 by k plus 3 by k square plus 4 by k cube plus 5 divided by k raised to 4 plus 6 divided by k raised to 5. It will be going till infinity. Now, what I am doing is I am subtracting this series from the series. It will be L minus of L by k, or you can write L into 1 minus 1 by k. L into 1 minus 1 by k. If you subtract, 1 will be remaining same. 3 by k minus 1 by k, it will be 2 by k. Again, if I subtract this value, 4 by k square minus 3 by k square, it will be 1 by k square. Now, 5 by k cube minus 4 by k cube, it will be 1 by k cube. Finally, 6 by k raised to 4 minus 5 by k raised to 4, it will be 1 by k raised to 4. Again, it will be 1 by k raised to 5, 1 by k raised to 6. It will be continuing till infinity. Now, what I am doing is I am splitting this 2 by k term. I am splitting this 2 by k term. It will be 1 by k plus 1 by k. I am taking this 1 by k out. if I take this 1 by k out, you will get a geometry progression, right? 1 by k, 1 by k square, 1 by k cube, 1 by k raised to 4, 1 by k raised to 5. If this series is a converging series, which means the value of k should be less than 1. Therefore, we can conclude that this is an geometric progression with a value 1 and the common ratio 1 by r equal to 1 by k, and the value of magnitude of 1 by k is less than 1. Then only it will be a converging series. Now, what is the sum of infinite terms of a converging series? A divided by 1 minus r. A divided by 1 minus r. The value of a is 1 and the common ratio is 1 minus 1 by k. Now, we have the value of L. L into 1 minus 1 by k. We need to find the value of S, right? Our original series is S. Can you see that? L equal to S into 1 minus 1 by k. Here I can replace L equal to S into 1 minus 1 by k. It will be S into 1 minus 1 by k into 1 minus 1 by k. 1 minus 1 by k the whole square. This is equal to 1 by k plus 1 minus 1 by k. Now, you can solve this S into, if you cross multiply it will be k minus 1 the whole square divided by k square, and in this side it will be 1 by k and it will be k divided by k minus 1. If you divide this, take the reciprocal and multiply, you will get S into S equal to, the value of S equal to this 1 by k and this k will be cancelling, it will be k into 1, it will be the k square and the k will be cancelling, numerator it will be k and the denominator part will be k minus 1. And here if you cross multiply k square into k, it will be k cube divided by, here it is k minus 1 and k minus 1 the whole square, it will be k minus 1 the whole cube. It will be k minus 1 the whole cube. Now, again what I am doing is S equal to, I am multiplying, here it will be square, right? If you multiply this quantity, k square and k will be cancelling and numerator we will get value of k. Denominator it is k minus 1 the whole square. I am multiplying k minus 1 in the numerator and denominator, it will be k into k minus 1 plus k cube the whole divided by k minus 1 the whole cube. And in option there are a lot of options are given. In the options, and what I have done is I have put trial and error method. Trial and error. I have put the randomly, I have put the value of k. And I have put the value of k as 2. I got S equal to 2 into 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 2 cube is 8, the whole divided by 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 cube is 1, it is 10. So the value of k is 2. The value of k is 2, you will get the value of S as 10. Or you can do it, but the calculation part is really difficult. That's why I have just put the trial and error method from the options and I have got the value. Without option also you can do it. You can put some random value, you will get it. If the value of k is 2, you will get the value 10. What I have done is I have directly put the value of 2 and I have got the value as 10. That's why I haven't calculated in regular method. Or you can do one thing, the value of s is 10. If you cross multiply and you will get a cubic equation and you can solve it. But it will make the question lengthy. Or you can do one thing, you have the 4 options. From the 4 options you can find the suitable value and substitute the value of k. You will get it directly. Or 1 or 2 substitution you will get it easily. That's all.